Hi guys, welcome back to Factotum. Today we're doing a recycling video. We are creating a decorative curtain using aluminum coffee capsules. Here I have all of these that I've been saving for a few months. I start by preparing a big box for the clean capsules, and then I use a smaller one for the used coffee that they have. With the help of a cutter or a small knife, I cut the superior lid of aluminum and I empty the content of the capsule in a box. Then I put the clean capsule in another one. We keep doing this until we finish with the capsules. Here I've got the extracted coffee that is an excellent fertilizer. Mixed with the land of pots or the garden, it contributes organic matter and avoids the land getting too hard. And here we have the aluminum lids that we will also recycle, putting them in the garbage container. And these are the empty capsules that I will use to do the curtain. The first step is to smash the capsules. I've got a good base to smash them, a small wood plank for the superior part, and a hammer. I put the capsule facing down, the plank in the superior part, and I hit them a few times with a hammer. Then it's done. And this is how the capsules need to look like. And now I'm going to do the support for the curtain. We will need a plank similar to this one. More or less, it has to be the width of a smashed capsule and the length of the door where we are going to put the curtain. So we measure and cut. We prepare it for painting by sanding it lightly. We place on one of the ends a screw or a nail hook to hold it better once it's painted. And now we paint it of the color that we most like or that looks better. And now we will need the smashed capsules that will form the curtain. We need some cutting pliers, some normal ones, a band, and most importantly, a wire of no more than 0.4 or 0.5 millimeters thick, that it is chrome so that it does not rust and that it is easy to bend. First, we cut several pieces of wire of about 6 centimeters long. And now we go with the capsules. We use two different colors, with the color always facing outside, and we perforate near one of the edges. We pass the wire and I do a few twists. I leave the edges long since I will tie this first piece to the wooden support. Now I do another hole on the opposite side and then we do the same thing with the wire. I take 2 new capsules, I pierce one of the end and pass them a seam. I insert from the side of the color towards the inside so that the knot is on the inside. I adjust it, cut off the excess, and that's it. I already have 2 pieces. And we repeat the same. I put together as many pieces as I need to get the desired length, which will be the length of the door where I will place the curtain. Now I will do it with the camera closer so you can see it better and more detail. Always the colors on the outside, pierce and tie. Now I'm going to place some supports on the wood to hang it on the door, which allows me to put it and remove it easily. With 2 L hooks and 2 eye bolts, it will be so. If we don't have L hooks, we can use 2 eye bolts open and 2 closed. About 15 centimeters from the edge, I do a mark and I drill, slightly with a drill a bit smaller than the screw. Then I will place the L hooks on the top of the door frame. Now at the bottom part I'm going to place some eyeballs to tie the strips I've made. I will mark every 3.5 centimeters, which is the width of the pieces. I drill and screw the eyeball. We do this on the whole board. And all we have to do left is to add the strips to the board. The leftover that I left in the first piece, I use it now to tie the tie to the board. And this is how it has to look. We repeat the same process until we complete the board. And this is the result. I love it. What do you think? A practical, beautiful and efficient curtain against insects. Also, remember that a big amount of the materials are recycled, which is the main objective. So this is all. I hope you have all liked it. Thank you for your likes and see you soon.